Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw an alligator. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, one more thing. If you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to it. Let's go see what we can come up with.
So to begin, we're going to start off by making two really big, cool cartoon eyes for our alligator. And here's a really cool fun fact. I saw my first live alligator in the wild on my first trip to Florida just a few months back, probably 6 or 7 months ago. Now, did you know that the alligator is one of the only apex predators that also eat fruit as well as meat? Awesome, those eyes look fantastic. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to make the snout for our alligator. Now underneath of that snout that we just made, we're going to connect one big curved line all the way to the right eye that we previously made. Great, now what would an alligator be without teeth? So let's go ahead and make some teeth underneath that snout that we just made. Wow, how cool does that look? Now underneath of the head that we just made, we're going to use one hook-like shape for the beginning of the body. Now moving over to the left, we're going to begin to make the first arm for our alligator. Now moving a little bit over to the right, we're going to begin to make the right side of our alligator's torso. Dang, time really does fly by when you're having fun. Now we're going to make the second foot of our alligator in the bottom left-hand side. Now moving back over to the right side, we're going to make our alligator's tail. You can make your alligator's tail as big or small as you wish. Now on the stomach of our alligator, we're going to begin to add some parallel lines. Now the last step will be to finish the tail of our alligator. Oh wait, we're not done just yet. We have to finish the snout. But while we're finishing the snout, I have one more cool fun fact. Did you know that an alligator can weigh over 1,000 pounds and they are cold-blooded? Thank you for drawing with us. Now let's go color in our alligator.